Hello, welcome to my research proposal presentation. I am Layla Hood and I propose to answer the question, do sustainable companies perform better? To analyze this from a more specific standpoint, I propose the following research question. How does the environmental stance of a business in Chile affect its long-run financial performance? I'll first start off with an introduction where I will explain the relevance and motivation of the research question. Then there will be an analysis in terms of the theoretical and empirical standpoints. Finally, I will go over the implications of performing such an experiment. So firstly, in terms of relevance and motivation, the country Chile is an emerging market. It has high growth prospects and has a GDP growth rate of 4%. It is currently part of the fourth industrial revolution and can use leapfrogging to avoid the unsustainable growth that more developed countries had in the early 1800s. In terms of sustainability, it has high air, water, and noise pollution, which are mainly due to the mining, fishing, and forestry industries. So there is also literature which supports the importance of my research question. George Serafeim from Harvard wrote the paper Turning a Profit While Doing Good, Aligning Sustainability with Corporate Performance. This paper, published in 2014, aimed to determine if American companies have the possibility to be environmentally friendly while also growing financially. Next, I will dive into the research proposal. So the aim of this research is to determine if there's a causal relationship between sustainable companies in an emerging market and the business's success. It is best performed using a natural independent variable experiment. The independent variable would be the environmental stance of a business and will be measured using the issuance of the sustainability report. Next will be the controlled variable, which would be the business. The omitted variable bias and the unobserved heterogeneity will be minimized by using virtually identical companies in terms of the type of industry, the size of the company, the financial performance, and also its growth predictions. Finally, the dependent variable will be the value change of a $1 investment in each of the company's stocks, and it will be measured over 20 years to also minimize reverse causality. There are also many implications of doing such a research project. So the economic ones pertaining to the company mean that they could have better performance, high returns, more investment, and more growth and development if sustainability leads to better performance. In terms of the country, this could also lead to higher GDP. In terms of sustainability, people will be better off. Their health will be better, and higher pollution, as we know, correlates with worse health and lower productivity. In terms of the world, it will be more sustainable for the future and will be able to maintain its natural resources better. The company will also be better off in non-financial aspects because their brand will be enhanced, the employees will be happier, they will have more access to finance and attract investors that align their beliefs with the company's beliefs. To conclude, the high importance of researching business growth in emerging markets, the prominent issue of sustainability, and the many positive implications of conducting such an experiment, I believe the research question, how does the environmental stance of a business in Chile affect its long-run financial performance, is of utmost importance.